What's going on YouTube? AGV King Raw, and today we got a big box. So for a big box, we need a big ass knife. Today, I got a gaming chair. I got me a new gaming chair. GT Racing gaming chair. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna bust it open. Hopefully I don't cut the leather. Yeah. Oh man. I already know how this about to go. I hope they sent me a screwdriver because I ain't got one. Oh, what? I don't even know it. Oh, okay. Yeah. They sent it. Stop fucking. Let me stop playing. This is what I wanted to see. Boom! What? It looked like a real racing chair. You see, I got the black and red. I had to get the black and red. You know. What I got the black and red for? I got the black for the blood of Jesus. I gotta stay covered in the blood of Jesus. So I had to get the black and red. Yeah, I like it. It's nice. Yeah, man. Look, what else they gave me? What else is it? Oh, okay. This is the pads for the shoulders. That's all I got. Oh, another pillow. Okay. What is this? Back support. Oh, this is the leg support. So if you want to put your feet up, this is the little feet up part. That's the feet up part. What else I got? In the chair. They gave me, okay, and I got the chair. This is the actual seat. I want to touch it. Oh, smell it. Smell good. It don't smell like them Gratitude 11s, but it smell good though. It don't smell like them Gratitude 11s, but it's a good material. It's a good material. What else I got? They gave me some legs. And then they gave me the box in a box. So I got the Manuel. It's a chair installation. Number one, you can get the base. Snap on the ground, around the screw holes. I can teach a bitch how to get paid. Look, life threw me lemons, make some lemonade. I'm gonna show you what to do when a nigga hate. They just probably wanna be you. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one a little bit heavier. Then we got 5. We got 5 legs. We got 5 feet. So where the 5th one at? I see 4. Oh. 5. Okay. I've been at this shit for like 6 days. Baking soda, arm and hammer, and a switchblade. Look, I You go like that.
I'm gonna show you what to do when a nigga hate. They just probably wanna be you, so they throwin' shade. Step it up and not showing that you great. Life though you live.
I need a mallet. This is probably not the safest thing to do. Do not do this at home. I know this ain't the safest thing to do. Don't do this at home. Don't do this at home. Please don't do this at home. I know this ain't the safest thing. I don't got a mallet, but I got this. Don't do this. Listen, I've been to jail before. You learn to be strategic. You know what I'm saying? A little bit creative. You use what you got. You know what I'm saying? A little bit. You use what you got. You know? It's still not flush. But it's enough to push that screw in, but it's still not flush. It's still not all the way. Damn. What? This one ain't even. Damn. It's like the more I... The hell? It's supposed to be popping into place, but these things, it's like the more... I should have hired a motherfucker. I should have hired somebody to come do this shit. Matter of fact, I don't know. I got the Xfinity dude coming tomorrow. I'm about to pay that nigga $50 to come build this himself. I'm about to pay the Xfinity dude to come build this. Cause yo, what? It don't even move. I should have bought it from Walmart. I should have bought this thing built. I can't even rock. You can't even rock it in. Bruh. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. That one went in perfect. Bro, I feel like I'm playing with Legos. Only difference is these things don't fit. All right, let me speed this up a bit. One piece. 2-piece. And then we start working on the arms. And then got the other arm. So what we're about to do now is move on to the next part by screwing on number 5. And what that is basically it's right here to the bottom of the chair. All right. Just give me 1 second.
No runners.
Blessings on all of my enemies, try to rob and at your ass. I see crazy shit going up in the back. They ain't never wanna see me relax. Money, money, everything they on track. See the 7 that they mad cause I'm back. All I want is all my dogs on the map. All they wanna do is fuck up the sack. Brand new money for a once in this silence. I took a risk and now I'm back for the profit, you did. Blessings on all of my enemies. I know the cash gon' make them envy me. I know my past gon' make them feel like they know me. But understand I ain't the same, you don't know me. My dogs with me like they supposed to be. Got that G like with me like they supposed to be. I can't let a nigga get too close to me. I should notice me. Got some words falling like my head. Brought some guns with us for the paper.
I thought I was done with this thing. Kind of find out I go back in the screw box or the whatever the pack come with, and I got missing screws. Trying to figure out where the missing screws go. How about the missing screws was the screws for the legs of the chair up under the chair. So I'd have been straight, but
blessings on all of my dogs. They gon' watch over me like a hawk. With the same niggas from the start. Ain't no game really going hard. Drop some change on you, gonna mall. Switch lanes, all you miss a call. They ain't wanna see a nigga ball. I ain't wanna see their ass at all. Cut it off so you can see the car. Made a movie with it all. For a killer, make a nigga starve. By the hand if he's a knock him off. You ain't got it what you mean. Scratching for that money like a fiend. I'm the nigga of the dreams. Clocks on it with a beam. Big hunters need a lot of money and 200, so I'm on the dash. I'm really going in the shit. I'm about to make a lot of pussy niggas mad.
I ain't gonna lie. For the money, this is the best gaming chair on the market. Best gaming chair on the market. I ain't gonna lie. For the money, this is the best gaming chair on the market. Guaranteed. Best gaming chair on the market. I love it. Can't lose. This thing is amazing. It's the coolest chair I've had in my life. I ain't never really had. This is crazy. This is amazing. I ain't gonna lie. This is amazing. Versus everything else that's on the market. I mean, I could have went with the Bluetooth one. I could have went with the Bluetooth gaming chair. I did not see a point in that. That shit just seemed like a waste of money. But this right here, for what was it? Like $125 from Walmart? You can't beat it. Best gaming chair on the market. The leather feels super soft. These little plastic things, they're not annoying, but they're plastic, so you know. But they're not like, they're hard, but it's like not, it's alright. But they're hard plastic, so you know what that feels like. These things swivel, So if you do wanna, whatever, this thing is pretty cool though. And this hides, so you can hide that if you want to. Oh. And this is how the chair is. You'll sit straight up. You can. I don't sit like that. I'll probably be sitting like this the majority of the time. Yeah. But that's my review. Yeah. But that's my review on the Gtracing gaming chair. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you. Get in the comment box if you go and buy one too. If you got one, let me know. I'm thinking about buying a second one just because I like the orange color too. But I like this one. I'm good with this one. I appreciate it. This is really cool. You really can't go wrong with it. I ain't trying to do none of this stuff yet. Oh, I ain't even trying to do that yet. Let's go all the way up and let's go all the way down. What? Yeah. Yeah, this is a vibe. I might knock something over with this. Yeah. 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 Insane chair. $125. You can't beat it. The leather is super nice. It took me about, I did start building this chair yesterday, like last night, because I got the chair yesterday. So I started building it last night. I was tired, went to sleep, woke up this morning, and that's why I got on different pants. But woke up this morning and went back to it. Found a bunch of extra screws in the box after I was done building it. Didn't know where those extra screws were supposed to go. So then I found out the screws go to the bottom of the chair. Just flipped it over, screwed those in real quick. But everything was with the that one
talking about this and that, you know what I'm saying?
little socket wrench. I need to clean this up. I'm gonna clean this up now. But yeah, everything was built with this one socket wrench. It comes in the toolbox with everything. At the end of the day, if I did sit here and like actually pay attention to it, I probably could have got this done in like 30 minutes. But I didn't. So, but it's hard though. It's a perfect chair. If you are looking for a gamer chair, that's of quality. That's not like super expensive like all these other like. If you're looking for a gaming chair that you're not trying to pay like $200, $300 for, get this one for $125 and it should last you a long time. This thing is perfect as far as I see it so far. The only thing I might do is probably get some cushions to throw on these right here. So like just in case. But a lot of times I'm not even using that. Like a lot of times like, I don't even sit back on these. But I might get some cushions just to throw on there real quick. But the chair is amazing. Gtracing, Walmart.com. Thanks for watching. AGV King Law. Appreciate you. Have a good day.